In this lecture, we'll explore new charts that are available in 2000 Excel 2016. The first new chart we are going to explore are the Trimup and Sunburst chart. Both used to parse to a whole when several columns of categories form a hierarchy. Let's click one of the cell and try first the Trimup. Go to insert and insert the Trimup. Let's delete the legend since we don't need it, and we can resize it a bit. So this shows or gives us a big picture to see our data. As you see, manufacturing has the large share. This is true because the salary distribution is also high. It's expected. The other is the Sunburst chart, which will give us the same output except in a different method. Let's try that. Delete it first and go to insert, and we'll insert the Sunburst chart. So this the inner portion is the department and the outer one is the status. Here also manufacturing has a large portion as expected from the data. And the next chart is a histogram chart. Let's move on to the right to see the data. Histogram shows the distribution of data grouped into bins. Let's insert that. Go to here and insert histogram. Let's resize the chart to see the data. We can modify the bin width. Double click to do that. Let's make the bin width maybe 10,000. Look on the change. So we can also modify the other stuff, the style, see what we wish to do. So delete that. So let's move on to the Parity chart. The Parity shows the relative portion of each factor to the totals. We have here original sales data. Let's insert the Parity chart. Move to here. Here is the Parity. Let's resize it. So it shows us what is happening to the data compared to the other. The other is the box and whisker chart. Let's move on to the right to see the data. Here it shows us the category and displays the variation within a set of data. Let's enter that. We have this sales data of the different states. Okay, this is a box and whisker. Let's we can format the data and make another modification as well. And double click, and this shows the mean and the inner points and other modification. Delete this, and the final on the last chart we are going to see is a waterfall chart. It shows a cumulative effect of a series of positive and negative values. Let's insert that, go to insert, and here is a waterfall chart. Let's resize it, and we have here negative value. It shows the flow of data throughout these menses. So these are some of the new charts.